Island woman shares her emotional and at times scary journey with breast cancer for everyone to see on the big screen.
News 12's Tama Ponton live in Belmore for the unique premiere. Tama.
Well, Doug and Katie, the Long Island businesswoman who shared her story tonight, said she never thought that she would get breast cancer. But she says since she did, she decided to use that journey as a way to hopefully help others.
I didn't want sympathy. I didn't want pity. I wanted to be the example of you're going to be okay too.
Setting an example for others diagnosed with cancer is one of the reasons Christina Matheson-Segura of Bethpage says she decided to make a personal documentary about her breast cancer journey. She was diagnosed in November of 2020.
I was scared to death. I decided that every other woman must be too. And I needed to document my journey for the women that come behind us so that they can see that somebody went through this and that they're okay and that they'll be okay too.
The documentary is called You'll Be Okay Too and premiered tonight at the Belmore Movies and the Showplace. Christina recorded videos of herself talking about her experience with chemotherapy, surgery, and all of the emotional ups and downs that happened during her battle with breast cancer.
I learned so much through this, what's important and what's not.
Matheson-Segura says the hour-long documentary, which also includes interviews with other local breast cancer survivors, was put together with the help of an editor and a producer. She says the goal is to show and tell others battling cancer that it's okay to be scared, anxious, and not know where to go for emotional support. She hopes that by sharing her journey, it will help others on theirs.
There's nothing you can't do. If you put your mind to it, cancer or nothing. You know, sometimes people are like, oh, well, it's not a nice day, it's raining. Get a real problem. You know, like that's nothing. Straighten up and let's go.
Christina says not only is her that others will be okay, now as a cancer survivor, she can say that she's okay too.
I'm healthy and cancer-free.
Now, after tonight's premiere, the documentary is now available online for everyone to see. And Christina is not stopping her efforts to reach out to people with the documentary. She also set up a nonprofit organization to encourage early cancer screening and testing and a place for people to go to support. And we have information on how you can find all of that on our website, news12.com.